guys, so just got off the phone with my doctor's office and the results came back normal. I am so excited.
We're excited.
He's crazy. So excited. It was really surreal to hear. Like, I'm telling you, you hear the excitement in the nurse's voice, right?
Yeah.
I just cannot believe that we're here. We scheduled our IUD removal for next Wednesday. I wanted to do it next Wednesday, just because I wanted my body to recover from the biopsy. I don't want for there to be any like tears or anything like that in my uterus from the biopsy. So I wanted to give my body a little bit more time to recover before they like pull the IUD out. But I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Wasn't it so surreal when she said, oh, your doctor said to take your prenatals if you want to try and conceive?
Yeah.
I was like, oh my gosh. Like, I'm going to place a huge order on Amazon right now for all the vitamins and supplements I need. We're just so excited, guys. I cannot believe that we're getting the clear to get pregnant.
Yeah. It's time, babes.
It's time. I love you.
Love you too.
I'm so excited. But yeah, guys, it's time. So now we're going to get the IUD removed, and I'm actually going to look into a bunch of different vitamins and supplements to take. I actually have a whole list on my Pinterest boards, so I'm going to go on my Pinterest boards and finally be able to use the Trying to Conceive Pinterest board that I've had there for like 7 years or something. But yeah, we're so excited. I'll take you along on the IUD removal, I guess, and then we can chit chat afterwards and see how I feel. But this baby journey has officially started.
Congratulations, baby.
Congratulations to you.
Congratulations to us.
I love you.
Love you too, babes.
Take up your vitamin.
Yeah, I am. Good. I started taking it when you told me to.
Nice. Deep breath in.
Ooh.
Is out.
Oh, wow.
And we'll say goodbye.
Oh, wow.
Bye.
That was so easy.
What?
Are you so excited?
So excited.
No more IUD.
No more ID. I'm glad it went really well too.
Yeah, it literally just felt like she plucked a feather.
Yeah.
Like, kind of when you pluck when you pluck a white hair, like when you don't. I
let it.
Yeah.
Let it be.
Yeah, well,
As you can tell.
it's like when you pluck a hair out. That's what it felt like. And she's like, look, you want to see it? And she showed it to me, and I was like, that's so weird that was in my body.
It's pretty small, right, or not?
Yeah, it's like this big.
Yeah.
Yep. So no more IUD.
We can just kind of chill and see what happens.
Yeah.
You know?
It's all over, guys.
Yep.
I can't believe we're like almost 2 years in the making. And now it's just we wait.
Yeah. It's exciting, baby. The cross has the final word. Oh. The cross has the final word. He traded death for eternal life. And the cross has the final word. Coming to Spotify pretty soon, holler at me.
It's crazy to think that there's not anything in my uterus anymore. It's insane. Right?
Super crazy.
And it's like, wow, this is all over. It is. I feel like my glasses are so foggy. Like, because I hate wearing masks. This is why we literally don't go nowhere, guys. We don't go anywhere. Also because the coronavirus is real, but I cannot stand wearing a mask, especially in this Texas heat, you guys. That's heat stroke all day for me because I have asthma. I can't breathe. Like, I can't. Whoa, oh my gosh. It's driving crazy. But yeah, it went well. I am so excited. Oh yeah, she actually prescribed me something.
What's that?
We gotta go to the HEB. It's called metformin. It's supposed to help with PCOS or something like that. It helps your body with PCOS. Like, it helps your body not.
You do the HEB over here on University?
University, yeah.
Brown Rock, right?
Yeah. Yeah, so she prescribed metformin. Now I'm gonna do my due diligence, as I always do, and be reading and researching it all day. I'm super excited. We're both super excited. It's a really awesome step in this journey. It's a long time awaited. It was just so cute how, like, everybody in our doctor's office gets so excited for us because they know our story. So yeah, we are going to continue to do my prenatal, the pink stork one, and hopefully I don't clot like I used to. Sorry guys, but it's TMI. But hopefully my period's regular now. Let's see what happens, and that's all right now. At this point we can do is just, it's a waiting game, like my doctor said. We have to wait and see how your body reacts. I scheduled an appointment 3 months from now to see how everything's going. So I'm so excited to see how my body reacts to the prenatals that I'm taking and all that stuff. As far as the IUD removal itself, it's definitely not painful. It's like I said, it's like when you pluck a hair out. It hurts for a little bit. Like, you feel your uterus cramp up, and right now I feel cramps, but it's not anything that you don't get when you're on your period. It's like period cramps. It's not anything like crazy. Like, I think also after getting 4 biopsies, you really don't, like, your pain tolerance is really high. So with the biopsy, it was painful, but it wasn't really that painful. So this IUD was like really not that big of a deal. And the removal was way easier. It literally just like, it took like less than 15 seconds, I kid you not, to take the IUD out. And I'm bleeding a little bit, so now it's just, I'm gonna get some food and just rest for the rest of the day. Just like take some, I always forget to take my Excedrin. Always take Excedrin before you get a biopsy or an IUD removal or IUD insertion or anything like that having to do with that area. Always take some Tylenol or Excedrin or something. And I always forget to take mine. So I'm gonna take some of that right now and just chill for the rest of the day. But I am so excited, guys. We're both so excited. It's the journey to be a mommy and to be a daddy. The daddy to be, hopefully. Amen. But yeah, guys, I just want to get on here and thank you guys so much. I truly believe in the power of prayer, and you guys have been like my prayer warriors, for real. Like, I get so many messages every single day of people saying they're praying for us, they're praying for my health, they're praying for our journey. And you guys, I can't even put into words how much it means to me, how much it means to us. We truly appreciate it, and this baby is going to be our baby. Like, when y'all message me or comment me and say like, make me an auntie, I'm like, I'm trying, girl. Like, you're gonna be an auntie, okay? Because I truly believe we have like formed a little family here, and I'm just so excited for what's to come. I really am. Anywho, so I just want to thank you guys. Sorry for the lighting, it's doing this weird thing on my phone. But we love you guys so much. We're so excited for the future. I'm going to be filming our journey, like, since, even though I already am, but I'm gonna be like making more videos. Like, I'm actually gonna film a video of all the supplements I got and all the things I'm using for trying to conceive, or we're using for trying to conceive. So that video should be coming out soon, and we do have more DIYs planned. We just have not gone around to them, but I have home decor hauls. I have so many videos like pre-planned that I have to film. So hopefully I start feeling better and just get back on it and get back to my YouTube grind like I used to. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. We love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye guys.